Previously, invalidating related cached objects without a common URL path required tracking individual URLs or using wildcard patterns that cleared unrelated content. This approach reduced cache efficiency and made workflows like updating product information, handling takedown requests, or managing multi-tenant content complex. CloudFront invalidation by cache tag addresses this problem. You can tag cached objects by including a header in HTTP responses with comma-separated tag values. When you need to refresh content, you invalidate all objects sharing a tag in a single request. You configure the header name through the CloudFront console, CLI, or API, and assign multiple tags per object for granular control. Invalidations propagate in under 5 seconds at P95, with complete status reporting in under 25 seconds at P95. This maintains high cache hit ratios while ensuring users see fresh content quickly. The feature is available in all regions where CloudFront operates except China regions. Setting up observability for EC2 instances traditionally required hand-editing JSON configuration files for the CloudWatch agent, which collects metrics, logs, and traces. This new visual configuration editor in the EC2 console eliminates that complexity. You can now configure the CloudWatch agent graphically by selecting metrics, log sources, and deployment targets, then deploy with a single click. You can install the agent on one or more instances directly from the EC2 console. Tag-based policies enable automated fleet-wide management, automatically applying monitoring settings to new instances including those launched by auto-scaling. From the instance detail page, you can view agent status, update configurations, and troubleshoot agent health. The feature is available in all AWS commercial regions at no additional cost, with standard CloudWatch pricing for collected telemetry. Managing JWT authentication in OpenSearch previously required you to manually configure and update static public keys. When your identity provider rotated signing keys, you had to manually update these keys in your OpenSearch domain configuration, creating operational overhead and potential security gaps. With JWKS URL configuration support, you can now configure a JWKS URL as part of your JWT authentication setup. Your OpenSearch domains automatically fetch and validate public keys from your identity provider's JWKS endpoint, eliminating manual key management. The configuration includes built-in security validation checks and clear error messaging to help you troubleshoot issues. You can set up JWKS URL configuration using the OpenSearch Service console, AWS CLI, or the Create Domain and Update Domain Config APIs. This feature requires OpenSearch version 3.3 or later and is available in all AWS regions where OpenSearch Service operates. Building enterprise AI applications requires models that can handle diverse input types, reason through problems, integrate with tools, and support global users. You can now deploy 3 Gemma 4 models in SageMaker JumpStart to address these requirements. You can deploy Gemma 4E4B, 26BA4B, or 31B models directly from SageMaker Studio or using the Python SDK with minimal setup. You can process multimodal inputs including text, images, video frames, and audio for tasks like document parsing, OCR, video analysis, and speech recognition. You can leverage native function calling to build agentic workflows that integrate with your existing tools and systems. You can serve users across 140+ languages with out-of-the-box multilingual capabilities, enabling global deployments without additional configuration.